Stucco and exterior insulation and finish system painting require specific coatings that accommodate substrate movement and moisture management. When preparing stucco or exterior insulation and finish system surfaces, we start with a thorough inspection for hairline cracks, delamination, staining and improper flashing, documenting locations and measuring crack width with a ruler if possible to decide repair type. For small surface cracks under 1/8 of an inch, use flexible cementitious patch or a compatible acrylic caulk pushed in and tooled flush. And for wider cracks or delamination, remove loose material back to solid substrate and reinforce with mesh where the repair calls for it. Always clean the surface with a low pressure wash and mild detergent. Allow a full drying period of at least 48 hours in moderate conditions, and treat efflorescence with a brush and diluted muriatic or specialized efflorescence cleaner following safety directions. Prime with an acrylic latex masonry primer that bonds to mineral surfaces and provides adhesion for top coats. Apply one uniform coat and ensure it dries thoroughly before top coat application. For top coats, choose a high-quality elastomeric paint when the wall shows movement or hairline cracking, and use a breathable coating where moisture intrusion is a risk, so trapped vapor can escape. Apply elastomeric in thinner multiple coats rather than one very thick coat to avoid skinning. When in doubt, consult the EIFS manufacturer for a compatibility statement or system recommendations, and document product data sheets and batch numbers for warranty and future maintenance. Common mistakes include skipping a full inspection and repairing only visible large damage, which leaves hairline cracks to widen later. So take time to map and repair all minor cracks before priming. Another frequent issue is choosing a standard house paint rather than a masonry primer and elastomeric top coat, which leads to poor adhesion and cracking. Use an acrylic latex masonry primer and select a top coat rated for substrate movement. Improper moisture management from bad slope or missing flashing causes staining and substrate failure. Verify and correct slope, flashing and sealant conditions before painting, and maintain good drainage around the foundation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who do stucco and exterior insulation and finish system work, and lets us find potential projects and clients. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world experiences, product notes, and installation tips.